Modify is a heated vest with 10 zones, 3 levels of heatings for the front. This is Modify. It's a heated vest with the 16,000 milliamp power bank. Also can be used. Modify, 3 temperature zones, front and back, 10 zones, 16,000 milliamp heated vest. Check online for further detail about the size chart for your wearing needs. We're going to open this up. I'm going to show you how to operate it and what it's all about. You get a carrying case. You get the 16,000 milliamp battery charger with 4 increments of soft white, 25, 50, 75, and 100%. You have a DIN plug that you plug the vest into, a USB-C to charge, and a USB-A to charge a phone, a camera, whatever a 5-volt unit supplies. There is an on and off switch that you can see the amount of power that is left. Take the USB-C cable, plug in the other end to 5 volts, charge a unit for a number of hours. It is foldable and machine washable. You have inside here on the inner lining an area of interest that when you open up this particular side, there is a zipper. It's going to expand your vest a little longer. So if it's a little tight with the clothing you have the ability to open it up a little wider. On the left-hand side over here, there is a pocket that has your DIN cable that you plug your charger into. Simply plug in, the unit turns on. You may notice over here when you first plug in, it acknowledges. To turn the unit on, you simply press for the front and or back. Long press. Red would be one of the heating modes. White, blue. Same thing for the front and or back. You can have different types of zones running. To shut off the vest, simply hold both buttons for a number of seconds and they both shut off. The power bank fits into the inside pocket. It is deep enough that you can zipper it up and close it up. The heating zones are on the back of the top collar. 3 on the back, 4 on the front. Simply put on, zip up all the way to the top. Press the zones. In the red zone, we're 140 degrees, 4 hours of use, both front and back. The shoulders over here, mid and lower, are heating zones. 2 on the lower back, 1 in the center back are the other heating zones. Keep your hands warm in the pocket. You can feel the heat on the inside over here. This is the front. On medium is white, 122 degrees, 6 hours of run time. Placing them onto the blue is 104 degrees, up to 10 hours of run time. The unit is hot within a couple of seconds, about 20 seconds we are generating heat. You can wear this over another coat or underneath for fishing, hiking, camping, working around the house on those cold days. When the battery is depleted, you take it out, unzip, shut the unit off, pull out, and recharge. Place back into its case. And you have heat when you need it. I hope this is a product that you are looking for heating, going skiing, hiking, biking, camping, fishing, whatnot. Around the house, keeping yourself warm on those cold wintry days. Enjoy your Modify vest heater.